Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed Trello card into your Drupal article or page. So this is GWP roadmap board, and here you can see multiple cards. So I'm going to select one of the cards, and when I select that, it will show me options related to activity, its details. Okay, now on the right hand side you can see this share button. Click on that share button, and here you can see embed code. Select that, copy. Right, now go to your Drupal website and choose your article or page. Now in article you can see edit button. Click on that and make sure to open your text editor here in source mode. Now choose the place where you wish to embed this and remove any existing embed. So I'm choosing the bottom region to add that iframe code, which is basically within block code. Okay, and in text editor you will also find one option named text format set to full HTML. So make sure it stays in full HTML and not in basic HTML or restricted HTML. Right, so save your article and preview that particular article to see if that card is added. If we scroll to the bottom, you will find that particular card is embedded at the bottom. Now this was for article in Drupal, but you can also embed this in page as well. So let's go to the page, edit that page. Now in source mode, scroll to the area where you wish to embed. Now here also you check for text format set to full HTML. Now save your article or page. So in this case it's page. Right, now reload it and you can view that particular card is embedded. Now the limitation here is you can only embed individual cards, not entirely that particular board. Okay, considering that limitation, you can choose particular discussion of that card to be embedded into your Drupal article or page.